Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the breakfast show with SmartRobie. And indeed, this week we will be looking at the Malaysia Bursa Kuala Lumpur KLCI SmartRobie. Now let's take a look at what we have for you in store in this morning breakfast show here. All right, let's get on to our market. As you can see, what we do is just switch on to the KLCI. Let me switch to a larger chart here and just show you where the chart is this morning and how the market is taking up. Actually, surprisingly, it did reverse and then reverse back to the upside. That also shows that the market has a lot of strength coming into this session that we see here. Let me just get down to the full screen here and show you from this is where we are. So you can see from this chart, definitely, let me just pause it here, and this is where we have on the top side here, the market did reverse. You can see reverse downwards, right, and then reverse back up. So that shows you there's a lot of strength right at the 1640. You can also switch on to the KLCI chart and you're able to see this. And if you like what we shared with you this morning, don't forget to give us a buzz and share this video in your timeline. So the KLCI is still looking a lot on the upside. So let's go and check out what we have in store for you for the remaining of our session. Now the KLCI right now is, as I said before, maybe I just switch it on to a chart here. You could see on the left hand side, the KLCI is in the stage 2 markdown. We have a green pentagon, but it possibility there might be a stage that it started to move sideways because of the distribution in here. It has moved up a lot, and remember, a lot of these were driven by the finance sector. It has been up for 11 bars, which is the last time we had 11 bars, if you can see from here. On top of that, which was also sometime in 3rd of July before the market sort of break off. But right now we do see the month of September. Remember, the month of September, the KLCI generally are weaker, so expect a pullback coming back very soon. Okay, we also review some stage 2 shares and some stock FA collection in here. All right, if you like, and do share this again in your timeline. Now let's take a look at our SmartRobie. As you know, SmartRobie is powered by Pentagon Guider in here, following the smart money. As also, let's look in the Bursa KLCI. Now, as I said before, the KLCI is really marking upwards in here, right? So this last Friday bar made a nice turn to reverse completely the downside to the upside, and now testing in 1680 again, mainly supported by the finance sector. So the biasness is towards on the upside. Many of the trading days are foreign fund inflows. You can check out with the VSA 360 in here. That is significantly showing this market going high. But remember, the September month generally are seasonally pointing downwards. Okay, so it will point downwards. So the next resistance will be at 1770, which is only 20 points ahead here. Now on our stage 2 shares, so you can just click on here, looking at the third button on the right hand side, we have a couple of shares which actually means shares are trending up. Now do keep in mind, if the market were to break higher, that means that's a nice uptrend, but keep in mind the smaller small cap shares like the FBM small caps as well as the FBM 70 hasn't turned up yet. So check it out on the trading view and you'll see that one thing. So this morning we have let me just show you Inta, which is breaking up nicely, and just going to show you the chart here. So you can see this is where we have, so you can see from let me just get the chart here. After turning green pentagon, moves sideways and then pops up. This morning has an uptrend, so that's a pretty good chart to go here. All right, let's check out another stocks that we have from this list. Will be, I think I like SOP, because remember the plantation stocks on the sectors are moving up. So go to stock price and let's click on that one, hit this, and you'll see SOP again, green pentagon, right? After making a base around the 2 ringgit 80 cents, now testing the old high, just about $3. This is a nice uptrend here. And what are the others that we have? Okay, let me just scroll down here. We have IOI Corp. We also have Tenaga. Check out Tenaga too. Oh, let me just turn this off. You can see. Check out Tenaga and you'll see that one. All right, let's move on to our next section that we want to cover. Oh, these are the stocks which I've just showed you just now. All right, check it out on the app. And do subscribe to our daily free newsletter. Here's the link for that one. And also we'll be looking at the Robie FA stock, which is much more suitable for beginners. All right. On the 2nd of September, you can check out the Robie FA stock here. And you can see we have 7. Uchitech has always been one of my favorite technology stocks. Pay pretty good dividend. A SmartRobie rating of 4. SOP is a rating of 6. B Auto 5. Nestle 6. And Ketam is 4. So that's a pretty good. But let's take a look at the Uchitech. So you can see Uchitech. Of course, technology stocks are rebounding back. We have a nice pull. It's also have no supply here. Well, market's moving back in here. But take note, the overall technology sector should able to turn up following the US sector. If the US sector is turning up, then we'll see this market strongly move up. Uchitech do pay a good dividend. Next is SOP, which is also showing strong background on the overall plantation stocks in here. Next week we'll come back and check it out. And of course, Pentagon Guider, which is powering the SmartRobie in here forever, able to identify the very, very good entry going in and going out. All right, green Pentagon for up signal, red Pentagon for down signal here. And don't forget to check out our next Wednesday will be the SmartRobie for US market. So this week we cover the Malaysian market in here. So overall summary, the KLCI is likely to move higher as long as we have foreign funds inflow. So check out the foreign fund inflow coming up. The Robie FA stocks, some of those stocks that we talk about here continue to be good, paying good dividend in here. More advanced SmartRobies can use the stage 2 intraday shares. All right. And sign up for our newsletter. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also right now we'll be looking at a couple of stocks. If you want me to sort of share with you what I think about them, feel free to pencil it notes in there. We thank you for your time coming to our talk in here. And happy trading. I think that's a lot of opportunity going for the month of September. No doubt month of September is still downwards for the last 6 to 7 years. But who knows? Maybe this 2024 might change because it is the year of Dragon. All right, that's all we have. And don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram chat channel in here. Thank you for all your support. Any stocks you want me to look at, feel free to pencil in here. I'll see you on this coming Wednesday.